Hello viewers, welcome back to my village life experience. This is rain season, and as you all know that during the rain season there is different shamba activities. So I told you before that I was busy on rice farms. Now I'm done with the rice farms. Now I'm on corns farms. We are cultivating corns, corns or maize. Yes, and this is my shamba, my small shamba, my small farm here in the village, Tanzania, the house of Tanzanite. I want to show you some fruits and coconuts and that I have planted here, and I'm waiting for them to become mature and harvest. Yes, we have coconuts. You have seen coconut tree. This one, we have a lot of them in here. This is my home area, my environmental area. Where is my house is over there. You can see it on far from here. Yes, you just see the house where they are. They are very far small from here, from the shamba. So here we are cultivating now maize or corns. As you can see now, we have already cleaned the shamba. The corns or maize now are very, very neat. Very neat. So within the corns or the maize farm, there is some fruits. I don't know the name of this fruit in English, but najua haya yanaitwa matopito. Umeona hili topito eh? Yes, haya yanaitwa matopito. Hii mbegu nilitoa Ziwa Nyasa. Yes, nikasema wacha niipande na mimi hapa kwangu kwa sababu niko very far from Ziwa Nyasa. And Ziwa Nyasa is the area where I come from, my motherland, my father's home. Yes, and here is my home, the place where we built ourselves, me and my husband. So I collected this from my parents' land, this fruit.